Good job. Good job. There you go. So 616. We got our funds. We got our money.
So hello everybody guys, my name is Alex, and today, as in every video that I'm posting on this channel, we are going to be earning money. I mean, almost every video in this channel is about how to earn money and the best options and the best tactics to earn money. And hopefully this video is going to be very much useful for you as well. So I'm having $170 in my balance today, and hopefully, as very much often and frequently, I'll manage to get nice amount of money, great profit right here. So do not forget to join to my VIP Telegram channel, where you can find a lot more than in this YouTube channel or in this video. And of course, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And by the way, link to the Telegram VIP channel is going to be below in the description. So do not forget to join. This is absolutely for free. Let me show you something. By the way, the first currency pair is going to be euro and francs. So I'm drawing a rising channel. You can see we are having a rising channel, meaning the price is generally going up. ADX shows strength right there, and it shows confidence for the upward move. And CCI definitely has some room to grow. So getting $95 for long. So we're just going for long. Everything seems pretty obvious and pretty, simple for me, but we'll see. Betting only $95 right there. Nice. Great. The first trade has been successfully executed, I would say. That is absolutely good for us because we got a profit of $87. Going into another currency pair, which is going to be Canadian dollars and the Japanese yen, we can see the we can see the bearish not the bearish situation, I'm sorry. I can see that bullish candle right here, which represents strong buyer. So definitely we are going for long, betting 150, and can see that there's a strong buyer which has entered the market. At the same time, ADX confirming that. So going long. Definitely like what I see right now, and definitely like what we are getting. Pretty much easy. Going to another place. Right now, let me go with 240. I'm gonna go for short. I expect the price is gonna be breaking the moving average, honestly. ADX lines are getting closer, and that's gonna be a signal for us for a possible drop trend. And the CCI also shows there's a room for fall. So yeah, going for it. Not being shy of taking the risks, and not being shy of doing what we are doing the best. It is pretty much important in life to make and to take the actions. But keep in mind what I've just said. I'm telling you to make and to take the actions. This is very much important. Sometimes you have to create your own opportunity, So in a second, I'm winning it. There you go. So 616. This is what I have in my balance right now. We kind of are below the moving average right here. So expecting the continuation of the fall and going with 350. The lower oscillators, which is the CCI, still shows some room to fall, and moving averages are also giving me sell signal. I would say they have been in sell mode for a while, Good job. Good job. Oh my god, what the hell? Well, sometimes my voice is just cracking as I'm a teenager or in puberty. But let me show you here. What I expect that we're gonna be breaking above the resistance, and moving average is giving me buy signal, and you can see the resistance from both
the fractal on the top edge of the sideways box, and now I expect it to break. So I would definitely go for long. And guys, don't really forget that this is, let me just take a sip. This is kind of very much important to believe your knowledge. But this situation and these things are happening only when you know what to do, only when you are confident in your knowledge. And to be able to be confident in your knowledge, you gotta be developing and improving yourself on a daily basis. I hate reading books. I actually do. But sometimes some things you're getting better while reading. So do not forget that, and just do not miss these points once you read something. Here we go. We got our funds. We got our money. $1,260 I've just made from $170. So because of this reason and a couple more, which you can find in my Telegram VIP channel, and the link is going to be below in the description, you have to start trading, guys. This is very much easy when you know what to do, not in the beginning, and when you have the right mentor. It's going to be really very profitable for you. So do not forget to leave a like, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my Telegram VIP channel, group, call it whatever you want, but just keep in mind that is VIP and it is absolutely for free. That might be odd. The group is VIP and is absolutely free, but the group itself makes the members VIP. This is how it works. So thank you for watching. Stay healthy. Take care. Goodbye.